Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Marilyn and today I'm going to be transforming into the Countess from American Horror Story. Before we get started, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. This makeup is pretty quick and simple, so let's just get started. So this is one eye all completed. To recreate it on the other side, I laid down a very pale foundation, and first we're going to get started with the eyebrow. So to cover my little eyebrow, I'm going to be custom mixing a brow pomade just because I don't really have one that's this color. So these are the two products that I'm going to be using to create my eyebrow. This yellow correcting concealer is going to give me the color for the hair, and then this white gel liner is going to help set that so it doesn't smear around. So I just mixed those two products on a spoolie, and now I'm going to carefully work that into my eyebrow. This would look way better if I had like a full-on eyebrow, but it's okay. You can't really see them on Countess anyway. Alright, so this is the eyebrow all completed even though I just have like a little nub in the front. Now we're going to get started on the eyes, so I'm going to add some primer. For eyeshadow, I'm going to be going in with these warm tone colors to start building the crease. And in this look, you want to create more of a winged shape. Now taking a deeper brown shade, I'm going to be defining the crease even more. Now I'm just going through and blending out the edges with the first color and highlighting the brow bone to really blend it out into the skin, since I don't have an eyebrow. So now that I'm happy with how it's blending out, I'm going to cut my crease with some concealer. And Gaga has a pretty large eyelid space, so I have to fake it. I'm just going to cut above my crease, kind of dramatically. So now that I have my cut crease, I'm actually going to extend it all the way out and create a wing. And it doesn't really have to be perfect just because we're going to go back in with eyeliner later on. It'll cover most of this down here. Now I'm going through and setting that with the first lid color. And up along the top of it, I'm going to go in with that shade that I use as an eyebrow highlight. I'm just going back through with that same crease brush to kind of clean up the edges. For the eyeliner, I want it to be super smudged and smoked out. So for that, I'm going to go in with an eyeliner pencil and some shadow. For the wing, it doesn't have to be perfect. I'm going to go ahead and define it more with the eyeshadow. I'm also going to bring this down under the eye. So to smudge that out, I'm just using a small detail brush and a black eyeshadow. So now that my eyeliner is done, I'm just going to finish off this look by smoking out my bottom lash line. I almost forgot to highlight, so I'm just going to add it in the inner corner and at the very top of my cut crease. So my eyes are done. Now I'm going to do my lashes. Countess doesn't really have like specific lashes, so I'm going to just add a very natural looking one. I'm going to go in with my double stacked wispy lash, and I'll be right back. Countess is super chiseled out, so I'm going to be using cream and powder contour. My favorite contours are super gray toned, so I'm going to be using this cream and then this powder color. Alright, so this is all of the face makeup complete. Now I just have to finish off with my lips. For lip liner, I'm going to be using a dark burgundy shade, and then for my main lip color, it's going to be a bright red. And this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. If you'd like to see more close-ups of this makeup, you can follow me at MarilynMugBeat on Instagram and Twitter. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!